We got our tickets already, paid for before we got here online. Printed off at home so we don't have to queue at the box office. We're at the NEC now. We're just heading straight to Hall 1 because that's where the Bear Grylls experience is, so we want to get there early before all the queues started, and then we'll start looking around the vans and some of the accessories.
We've had. What's all about? Have you heard of it? You've got a thing next to it. Yes. Do you want to take a leaf for it? Is it? There's a 50% off voucher in it.
Yeah, we're getting the pop scratches now.
Yeah.
It's gripping it, isn't it? If you had a glove, you'd be alright. Isn't it? It's like, do not come anywhere. But good for you, you've got dogs or whatever though, isn't it? Keeps the dogs in. A dog playpen or a child playpen?
Walking past the Lunar stand, a Ford Terrier's caught our eye. We do like the Ford Terrier when it's converted into a camper van. We can have a look. This one's got actually 3 seats at the back with seat belts and 2 captain's chairs, and the bench seat at the back is also on a runner system. You just about see it, so which means you can bring the bench seat forward to give you more space at the back. It includes an oven, really nice units with high gloss finish and LED lights, and you can keep a table at the back there as well.
This kitchen cupboard, a toilet. I just don't get that. There we go. Just about big enough to do a little pizza probably in there. I do like the LED lights. Seats a little hob. Oh look! Control for the... Wow. This is the VW version of the Lunar conversion. This one's got the fridge box, but I just banged my head sticking my hand in there, so I'd rather a door one myself. And also, if you've got food on there, you're making a cup of tea, you've got to move it all to get your milk out. Oh, wind your leg. This is the Mercedes Lancaster RLS by Lunar. £73,000. We found it, the V-Dub with the Elvis quiff.
Okay, so this is the Grand California by VW. There's been quite a lot of hype about this vehicle at the NEC. I gotta say, it looks better than it does in the pictures. Quite nice. Quite a bit of storage at the back. do like the living area at the front here where you can sit 4 people comfortably around the table. There's a pull-out fridge with a little freezer box. There's a little extendable drawer here which pulls out to give you a bit more workspace. And you've got your sink and your hob. I don't like that it's so close to the bed though. I think your bedding would get a bit dirty with splashes.
Where the bed pulls out like this, Mark? Onto here.
And the toilet, it reminds you of a toilet that you would see in an aeroplane. So I think it lacks a bit of personality and warmth, to be honest. Lacks character that you would get in maybe another van. Then here's the additional pull-down bed, which sleeps 2 people, although I've got to say I don't think it would last a family of 4 long, because they would just struggle to get in the gap.
Evan, so you're like 5'8". One.
5'11".
5'11". Sorry, that's what I meant. 5'11". So can you lie down?
No.
His shoes are clean. It's fine. Yeah, it's quite. That's not bad.
The storage, emphasise the overhead storage. What does that remind you of?
Remind you of
Overhead storage. Aeroplane. And do you know what?
Like an aeroplane inside.
It sounds like it when it clicks as well.
Yeah, and they've even got the suitcases there, look as well.
This is the Malibu Park Carthego. $57,000 for a 2-berth. This is 2/4. I can't see where you get your 4-berth. Oh. It's quite nice, isn't it? A bit more luxurious. It's like a cross between a motorhome and a van. I like this. What's the base price with $49,760. It's left-hand drive, but it is available on right-hand drive, and it's a Fiat engine, Fiat chassis, Fiat engine. Just spotted this cabin thing. £7,000, unless I'm reading it incorrectly. But it's free build, and it's huge. It's like
7.4 metres by 4 metres.
It's like an extension in your house.
You can
It is too. It's quite a nice touch on this. You've got fixed lights for when you're up in bed and stuff. And also I've noticed they've got a smoke alarm at the top. Which is the first time I've seen that actually. Maybe I just haven't noticed before. Yeah, 4-berth, auto sleeper Fairford. So that would become a bed. I'm assuming drops down, stands out. I think the Nice layout, maybe. Quite like the layout. It feels a bit spacious, like by here. Yeah, this would be 2.
2?
I would imagine this usually comes out, look. Yeah, it does. Like that, to extend it, to make it wider. The actual colour smells good. It's dated like. Shower and toilet. I'm not sure if that's a big garage or whether it's another bed. I think it's like a garage space, isn't it? And then a raised bed.
Front. Oh yeah. That's...
Oh, it's adjustable. That's what it is. It's adjustable height to the bed, so you can have it lower, or you can have it high. Oh, and you can have an extra bed, so you could make it a full berth. This is good if you've got young kids. Probably wouldn't put it on most berths. Not much room, like if you both all sat there. Imagine you're all sat there with a table, not much leg room. It's alright for, like you say, young kids. If you had an extra bed down there, do a little full berth down. This is a long wheelbase Cromford high top VW.
Hillside Leisure?
By Hillside Leisure. 4 travelling seats. But it's only a 2 berth. There's no bed at the top. £51,290. Only 2 beds though, isn't it?
Who with a view?
Cassette toilet. So this is the Harbour Creek Westphalia or Westphalia? That's how posh you are, I suppose. Yeah, it's a bit of a more unusual layout. Oh, hanging wardrobe. Oh right, that's your privacy thing. Be respectful. So that's the shower tray then. So you have to get to the pop top from behind on this one because it's a reverse pop top. That's a shower connector there too. Look at the seat. That's a bit different for a layout, isn't it?
More like a motorhome.
And then that would be your bed. And you still get a bed up top. Let me go up from the top. Right, that's us done. We're on our way home now. Well, we're walking back to the car. And had to catch the shuttle bus because it was a bit further than we expected. Mark, what was your favourite van you saw today?
Favourite van? Ours.
Levi, what was your favourite van you saw today?
The black and burgundy one
With the nice, like, dark, solid wood
Yeah.
inside?
That was a good one.
Yeah?
But it was a bit bizarre. There was signs all over it saying, don't touch the carpet, don't touch the van,
Don't touch the window.
don't touch the window.
I know.
It was a lovely van, beautiful.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was a look at. It was lovely.
It was nice, that
The
one.
Airstream's always.
Oh
always
yeah, the Airstream. Evan, what was your favourite van?
Mercedes motorhome.
The Mercedes. Oh yes, that was.
140 grand.
Yes. Was it 140 or 160? £160,000 Mercedes motorhome. That was really nice actually. And your favourite? And my favourite is all the ones that you've said. But my most favourite of all is Mac. Ah, look, he gave us a little wink. Hope you enjoyed our highlights of the show. Hope to see you all again soon. Say goodbye, Mark.
Goodbye, Mark.
I knew you would say that. Say goodbye, Levi.
Bye, Levi.
Say goodbye, Evan.
Bye.